Nature. Field. You can see sheep in the field. Sky. The sky is clear. Sun. The sun is shining brightly. Moon and stars. The moon and stars come out at night. Comet. A comet is moving fast across the sky. Clouds. There are clouds in the sky. Grass. The sheep in the field are eating grass. Tree. Leaves. There are leaves in the tree. Mountains. You can see a range of mountains in the distance. Rain. Rainbow. As soon as it stopped raining, a beautiful rainbow appeared. River. The boat is sailing down the river. Rocks. Flowers. The field is full of wild flowers. Fir tree. There is a rabbit under the fir tree. Bushes. The rabbit wants to hide in the bushes. Bridge. The man is crossing the bridge. Path. He is walking down the path. Lake. A man is fishing in the lake. Plants. There are many plants around a lake. Hills. Hills are easier to climb than mountains. Pond. A pond is smaller than a lake. Cattails. Lily pad. Water lily. Mushrooms. Some people like gathering wild mushrooms.